Ninja Intuitive Energy Community of Oneness. Thank you for joining, allowing me in your experience, participating this co-creating energy of oneness by listening live, archives, requesting energy reading and healing. Hope you're having a wonderful moments in your world. So where I am in this linear time flow is that just having the full moon lunar eclipse 4th of July weekend. Happy birthday, America. This is such an universal show energetically. And what we can do is to remind ourselves that being part of the universe, you are the universe. And universe around us is always changing as it has been and it will be. And there is an ups and down and changes and movings, and this is one of the wavy period that experiencing the eclipse season of 2024 summer, and this one full moon fullness is the last eclipse of this show for now. So today's focus I like to give is unplug to reboost your personal power. Unplug to reboost your personal power. After the weekly check-in conscious breathing exercise to being current here and now, connecting each part of ourselves, our mind as our feeling, our body, and here and now, as one, and neutralizing our beingness to becoming back to reconnecting and becoming back. I was saying the two words at the time, so reconnecting and becoming back to sense of self and connect consciously. Neutral state, 0 point here now in body, presence, awareness of mind or heart. Let all other things, memories, ideas, thinking about futures and sensations, it's just put aside and connect to that breath that we all do since we arrived on this life in this body. The body is just a ride for spirit and soul experiencing a human lesson here. Since that point, non-stop, consciously, unconsciously, subconsciously thankful for this body system in taking oxygen and exhaling it. Idea is to connect our breath as one together here consciously. The first connect each part of each of our being, and then knowing that we are synchronizing our breath, allow my voice guide to connect in one universe, being part of this universe here now together. And one of the effective use of this conscious breath and connecting time together, co-creating energy, is that choosing consciously what you would like to use this energy for feeding, how you would like to feel. If you would like to feel opened, or feeling loving, or kind, or excited, inspired, anything that you would like to invite in resonance, align here now with being part of together conscious creating, co-creating energy. And then that would add more energy, because the energy moves where attention is given. Who is the attention giver for your energy? Is you. So choose that navigation system of your own energy to at least where you want to connect next. And then let us use this opportunity. Consciously breathe in from the nose and circulate new energy resonating to your chosen feeling. The entire body is fulfilled with it, and let that out from the mouth. No longer serving whatever. This is wonderful full moon energy. So charged up everything, it just let that go. Maybe these energies stored in your body, in your blood, in your stomach, whatever that would that be, charged up. Then let that go consciously, at least as an energetic release, using our together breath and back into here now, your neutral self together. Ready? So choose the feeling. I would like to choose the feeling of I feel grateful for that feeling. Bliss. How about you? So choose that word and just embody and feel it. And notice what thought or particular person popped up in your head, particular season or smell. Just observe. Use your observer self to notice your being as your thought and your feeling, your body. Maybe your body is sending messages or signals that I got itchiness behind my neck. So just observe and noticing it, and let us do this breathing exercise together as in a weekly check-in. Ready? So let us take a moment and long, deep breath in from the nose, counting 3, 1, go. 2, 3. Hold it. Keep it. Circulate it. And release slowly from the mouth. Simply notice that your body is muscle releasing, and when we exhaling the air and releasing and let it open, to let all go, no longer serving everything, people, event, way of being, habit, that is no longer helping your new creation here now from now for the next step. Let us take a long, deep breath, counting 3. Now go. 2, 3. Hold it. And let it out slowly from the mouth. The last one. This time, let us use a voice, the vocal sound of out. When we exhaling, all no longer serving everything as an energy, the air, just like Godzilla is, it's a fire from the mouth, and let that all out. The image is like that, and then slowly all no longer serving from entire your beingness, not only from your body but your mind, your feeling, your sense of being, and that is it, with that thankfulness. Thank you for helping me becoming me here. And I let go and return to the universe because the newness is here to realigning for the next. Ready? So let us take a long, deep breath. Now go. Ah. Ah. Thank you for joining conscious breathing exercise, being current here now. This is JuneUniverse. Ooh, how do you feel? I feel so centered. Do you notice that feeling before and after? If you're able to write that down, just jot that jot that down as your freshness or your newness or what you're noticing or what came to your attention now. Just for your spirit's sakes, thank you for doing this. So today's focus I'd like to give is unplug to reboost your personal power. We have another a minute and a half, so I may need to carry over this to the second segment, and also the intuitive blind reading that I have a request for life path this week. So if you're listening this podcast Spreaker or other related platform, please check that link at the description of this show for the next segment and join us for this focus of the day and the intuitive blind reading. You can also request your own intuitive blind reading that I've been providing this for over last 15 years. You can private message me over Facebook message or Twitter at JuneUniverse, one word, JuneUniverse, one word. Look forward to intuiting your curious matter, your life's curious matter, not someone else's, without telling personal stories. So let us connect in the second segment. Come join me at the link below. Until then, all my love. Bye.